What's going on, guys? It's Ghost here from Scarred Airsoft, and we're here at Sarge's house. And we're doing something a little bit like D-Day, alright? We're going to have two people posted up here, and everyone else charges the crap out of them. Who's going to win? We'll soon find out. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, so we got Sarge and Big Daddy. I'll be taking cover behind this big board, because it's a bunch of spraying in this game. I'll zoom in just a little bit for you guys. Big Daddy with his scar by Echo 1. Fred Seema Thompson. Well, now that you know the spot pretty good, I'm going to get up and get shoulder view of Big Daddy. So we'll be right back, guys.
They're starting to hit around us. What? They're starting to hit around us. Hold up, they don't see me right here. I seem a little weird Indian style, but I don't care. Matt, left flank. Left the middle. Left flank. Left the middle. Matt's going left flank, dude. There's two in the middle. Two in the middle. Two in right flank. Two straight ahead.
Good. Drop your mask a little bit.
Hey, moving up 3. There's 3 in the middle. Matt's over here to the left flank, dude. You're gonna have to move up more. Michael's sniping. Matt is very, very close to us, dude. Just hold position. Whenever he gets up here, freaking lock. Dude, my gun stopped shooting for a second. You hear that? Yeah. That ain't good, dude. If somebody took my gun and shot it, dude, I swear. Hey, stop. I know. Dude, my gun ain't working, man. Left flank.
Moving up, they're moving up.
It's fire now.
At first his gun wasn't shooting, but he fixed it. It works now. We're back in business. With Sarge. Big Daddy.
Get down. Heck, dude, my gun is being weird. Turn the safety on, turn the safety off, and then turn it back on. Flip it on and off a few times.
Watch this AR do work, baby.
Huh? Stop crying. Just get up. Walk. Walk over here. Can there be a number called 00000?
Drop, where are you?
Somebody called me.
Get out there and better shoot at him. Make a run for it.
Bravo! Press it. There's a hole he's peeking through. I can see the end of his gun.
Bravo, move up. Moving, stop.
You move up, Matt.
I am moved up. I'm 20 feet from him.
I'm closer. Whoever's medic, move up to Adam. Oh. Who's that way up there? Fred! Paris!
Yeah.
Watch out over there.
Hey, move up.
Oh, it's Ben. Oh, dude, we've got him surrounded.
Got Fred, you're out. What the heck? Quit shooting me like freaking... Swear to God, dude. Freaking 12 feet away from me. Lock me up, dude. I know I...
Well, the one time I don't film Maximus, you guys, he gets them both.
Double kill, man.
Max walked all the way from right there and flanked. Sprayed them both.
When you stand up like this,
One shot, well, 2 shots, 2 kills. There you go. Scarred airsoft. That's
There
what we
you
do.
go, scarred airsoft.